Hello everyone, how is everything? I wish you all have good health and study well. Today we continue with Unit 1 of English Discovery 6. Now, let's begin with Lesson 1, People are People. First, look at the family tree. Now, how many people are there in this family? So, there are 13 people in the family. Read the text and write the names of the people.
My multinational family. My name's Asha. I'm a teenager. I'm 13 years old. I'm English and French, but my family is multinational. My mum's name is Sonia. She's English. My dad's name is Henri. He's French. My granny, Cara, my mum's mother, is Irish. And my grandpa, Abe, is from the USA. My other grandfather, Gus, my dad's father, is Argentinian. And my grandma, Mio, is from Japan. My auntie, Rita, my mum's sister, is married. Her husband's name is Alex. He's Scottish. Their son's name is Tommy. He's my baby cousin, only 9 months old. My uncle, Antoine, my dad's brother, is married too. His wife's name is Ola. She's from Poland. Their daughter, my cousin Anna, is 13 years old too. We're good friends. My name's Asha. My mum's name is Sonia. My dad's name is Henri. My granny, Cara, my mum's mother, and my grandpa, Abe. My other grandfather, Gus, and my grandma, Mio. My auntie, Rita, my mum's sister, her husband's name is Alex. Their son's name is Tommy. My uncle, Antoine, my dad's brother, his wife's name is Ola. Their daughter, my cousin Anna.
Read the Vocabulary A box with countries and nationalities from the text. Listen and check.
England, English. France, French. Ireland, Irish. The USA, American. Argentina, Argentinian. Japan, Japanese. Scotland, Scottish. Poland, Polish. Germany, German. Italy, Italian. Holland, Dutch.
Study the Vocabulary B box. Write the words in the correct group. One word can go in both groups. Listen and check.
Female, aunt, cousin, daughter, grandmother, mother, sister, wife. Male, brother, cousin, father, grandfather, husband, son, uncle.
Activity 4. Study the watch out box. Read the text on page 10 again and rewrite the sentences using S. Who says these sentences? Possessive là sở hữu. Ở đây cô có ví dụ thôi. Asher's mother is English. My uncle's car is electric. Now, look at the example. The name of my mom is Sonia. Nghĩa là tên của mẹ tôi là Sonia. Thì mình có thể viết lại là My mom's name is Sonia. Và đây là lời của Asha nói về mẹ của bạn đó. Cho nên mình sẽ ghi trong ngoặc tên của người nói là Asha. 2. My brother's name is Anton. 3. My husband's name is Gus. 4. My sister's son is a baby. 5. My husband's mother is Japanese. 6. My cousins' names are Asher and Tommy. 7. My wife's sister is married to Henry. 8. My uncle's wife is Polish. Activity 5. Write the words below in the correct column.
Eyes, big, blue, brown, dark, green, small. Hair, blonde, brown, dark, grey, long, red, short. General appearance: big, old, short, slim, small, tall, young.
Now let's do some speaking activity. In pairs, ask and answer questions about the people in the photos on page 10. Use the words from exercise 5. Activity 7. Let's play the truth game. Work in pairs. Student A write 4 sentences about the people in your family. 3 sentences are true and 1 sentence is false. Read them aloud to student B. And student B will guess the false ones, then change the role. For example, there are 4 people in my family. I have a brother. He's 13 years old. He has blonde hair. False. Your brother has black hair. Now we turn to lesson 2, grammar. Can. To talk about abilities. Chúng ta sẽ dùng chữ can để nói về khả năng. In pairs, match one of the words or phrases below with each photo. Look at the first photo. This talk about the verb jump. Picture B, stay underwater. Picture C, dance. Picture D, speak a foreign language. Now look at the table and study the grammar box. We can use can and can't to talk about abilities. For example, they can dance. She can't fly. So look at the example number 1. Marlon can speak Japanese. 2. Tom can stay under the water for a long time. 3. Phương Anh can dance, but she can't work. 4. Tara can't fly, but she can jump.
1.5. Can you guess what famous people can or can't do? In pairs, make sentences with can or can't. Listen and check. 1. Katy Perry can sing, but she can't dance in a wheelchair. 2. Beyoncé can't speak Japanese, but she can dance. 3. Stephen Hawking can talk using a computer, but he can't walk. 4. Ronaldo and Neymar can play football, but they can't jump 6 meters. 5. MC Tran Tan can speak Chinese, but he can't speak German.
We turn to writing activity. Write 6 questions with can using the words or phrases in A and B below. For example, can you dance? Can your parents speak English? And in pairs, ask and answer the questions in exercise 4. For example, can you dance? No, I can't, but I can sing. We start lesson 3 with the questions. Who is your favorite actor or actress? Activity 2. Match photos A to D below with the sentences 1 to 4. Then read the text and check. Look at the first photo. Her makeup is perfect, so 1 and A. In the second photo, she is poor, so 2 and B. In photo number 3, she can shoot arrows, là bắn cung tên đó các em. So 4 and C. In the last photo, she's a mutant. Đây là một dị nhân. Now, let's listen to the test about Jennifer Lawrence.
The different faces of Jennifer Lawrence.
Jennifer Lawrence is 27. She's from Kentucky, USA. She's friendly and funny. She's slim, tall, 1.75 meters, and pretty. Her eyes are blue and her hair is blonde. But Jennifer is an actress, and actresses can change their appearance. In Winter's Bone, Jennifer is Ree, a quiet 17-year-old girl from a poor family. She's unhappy. Her hair is long and dirty. In American Hustle, she's Rosalind, a nervous woman with beautiful blonde hair and perfect makeup. In The Hunger Games, Jennifer is Katniss, a teenage girl with long, dark hair and grey eyes. She's brave and strong, and she can shoot arrows. In X-Men, Jennifer is the mutant Raven. Raven's clever. She can speak 14 languages, but she isn't very nice. She's very different from Jennifer. She's over 100 years old. Her hair is red, her eyes are yellow, and her skin is blue. But Raven and Jennifer are not completely different. Raven can change her appearance too.
Read the text again and mark the sentences right or wrong or doesn't say. 1. Jennifer is American. 2. Ree is a teenager. Right. 3. Rosalind can't shoot arrows. Doesn't say. 4. Katniss' hair is short. Wrong. 5. Raven is a young woman. Wrong. 6. Raven and Jennifer are 100% different. Wrong. Activity 4. Study the vocabulary box. Find the words in the text. Some personality adjective: brave, clever, friendly, funny, nervous, nice, quiet. Activity 5. In pairs, write sentences about the people you know. Use adjective from the vocabulary box. For example, my uncle is funny. He isn't quiet. And the last activity, choose the correct option to make the sentences true for you. You can choose more than one option, and in groups, compare your answers. For example, my eyes are green, my hair is long and brown, I'm friendly and happy. My eyes are green too, but my hair is short and black. I'm quiet and... That's it, the end of our lesson today. Thank you for your listening and happy learning. I wish you all good health and success in your study. Please subscribe for my channel and see you next time. Bye bye.